Guys, so today I will be giving anyone that subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can see my name right there if you wanna play with me or something. That's all the games I play. Plants vs Brain Rots, 99 Nights, Blue Lock. I don't actually play a game, I just try the game. Rivals, Steal a Brain Rot, Blox Fruits, if you wanna trade. Careless is new game, Dump. I don't actually think it's new anymore, but okay. So, not anymore so much Grow Garden, but okay. Whoever subscribes to me, I will give them a 6-7 in Steal a Brain Rot or in Plants vs Brain Rots, okay.
And by the way, you should add this guy. This is my best friend on Roblox by connection. You should add him, nah? Guys. You should very add him. He's also a YouTuber, nah? So this is his name. So guys, no capital letters, no space. Also, you should add him. Him also, guys. You should add him too. That's my best friend's my friend's account. I can also log in his account. Okay.
So
This is him. You should add him also because he's also a YouTuber. Yeah.
So guys, let me show you the
Why
6-7.
is this button so? How can you sit on the couch and see it?
So let me show you the 6-7.
That's it all. That's it. This is Brain Rot USA.
So if you subscribe, I'll give you this giant 6-7. And if you make your whole family subscribe to me, yo, look, this, and this. Oh my goodness, and I'll give you the dragon.
And also, guys, if you comment, you'll get. And if you like, and if you subscribe, like, and comment your name in my background, literally.
I'm not talking.
And I'll type. You will also type it in the chat. My YouTube account, and you can also subscribe to me.
Why does it sticking to the game?
If you gambling, yeah.
I get this muscle blue guy. You have to subscribe. Actually, that's not fair. So you have to subscribe.